As we start to look at financial mathematics, there are a few terms that we need to learn to know and get confident with. And this will be a 3-part series. We will do 3 videos about this. The first one being just the terminology. Then we'll do 2 videos about some actual mathematics where we have to work out a few things. So some of the terminology that we need to learn to know is profit. Profit is the difference between the cost price of something and the selling price. So I buy something for a certain amount and I sell it for more. If I sell it for more, I make profit, I make some money. The opposite of that is loss. If I buy an object for a certain amount and I sell it for less, I lose money, I make a loss. Alright, so discount is something that we all know and love. And that is when they tell us the selling price of something. They tell us that a pizza costs 80 Rand. And then they say, well, you know what? Tonight, on Wednesdays, we will sell it for 10% less, 72 Rand. And then we have a discount there. Then interest is something we all hate, and that is when you borrow money from the bank or from anyone really, then you have to pay it back at an interest rate, at a certain interest. So the longer you take to pay it back, the more money you have to pay back. That is interest. Okay, it's the same when I take some money and I give it to the bank, and the longer it lies in the bank, in my bank account, the more it becomes, because that money gets interest. That is that term. Then something that we spoke about now is cost price as well as selling price, and what the difference is between those two. So cost price is what I buy something for. I buy a certain object at a certain price, and that is the cost price. If I then sell it, then I sell it for the selling price. This price will include the profit that I added to my cost price.